You search for how to buy shares of DRDGOLD Limited, and this short guide will walk you through the process for DRDGOLD, a company focused on gold recovery and processing that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DRD. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy DRD, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will also need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker DRD to find DRDGOLD Limited quickly. Confirm you select the listing that shows DRDGOLD on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and view the price chart to see recent trading activity for DRD. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to make sure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and then confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can confirm the purchase. After the trade is executed, your DRD position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and the link to eToro is in the description for reference.